The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a modern revival of the legendary off-roader, blending classic styling with advanced engineering. Its rugged and boxy exterior maintains the iconic FJ40 silhouette, now enhanced with LED headlights, a bold front grille, and reinforced skid plates. The high ground clearance and robust fender flares emphasize its off-road capabilities, while modern alloy wheels and all-terrain tires ensure it stands out both on and off the road. The retro-inspired color palette, including classic beige, olive green, and deep blue, pays homage to the original model, making it a true collector's piece with a contemporary twist. The suspension system of the 2025 FJ40 is designed for extreme durability and comfort. It features an advanced independent front suspension paired with a solid rear axle, providing a balance between off-road toughness and on-road smoothness. The adaptive shock absorbers automatically adjust to different terrains, offering superior stability on rocky trails and a cushioned ride on highways. With a reinforced chassis and upgraded coil springs, the vehicle absorbs rough impacts effortlessly, ensuring both driver and passenger comfort during long expeditions. When it comes to road grip, the FJ40 excels with its cutting-edge 4x4 system. Equipped with an intelligent all-wheel drive setup, it provides enhanced traction control and stability on various surfaces, including mud, snow, and sand. The differential lock system allows for superior grip in challenging conditions, ensuring confidence on steep inclines and rugged landscapes. The high-performance all-terrain tires add an extra layer of security, making the FJ40 one of the most reliable off-roaders available. The 2025 Land Cruiser FJ40 is powered by a high-output turbocharged V6 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for demanding adventures. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers seamless acceleration and fuel efficiency without compromising power. With a top speed of around 120 miles per hour and the ability to reach 0 to 60 mph in under 7 seconds, the FJ40 is not just an off-road beast but also a capable highway cruiser. Its optimized fuel injection system ensures efficient performance, making it ideal for long journeys through remote terrains. Inside, the 2025 FJ40 blends rugged practicality with modern luxury. The dashboard features a vintage-inspired design with a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Durable yet stylish leather and fabric upholstery ensure comfort, while the aluminum accents provide a refined touch. The seats, available in rich tan and deep brown leather, offer exceptional support for both on-road and off-road travel. With ample cargo space and intuitive storage solutions, the FJ40 is designed for adventure, whether tackling the wild outdoors or cruising through urban streets. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a masterful combination of heritage and innovation, offering a rugged yet refined experience. Whether conquering mountains or navigating city roads, it delivers unmatched durability, comfort, and style, making it the ultimate 4x4 for adventure enthusiasts.